Okay, in the previous video we explored how to basically get more information, right, from the database. But what if you want to maybe go back, right? It's not every time you want to move forward. Perhaps you've seen what you want, or the user has seen what they want and they want to go back, right? So it's easy to do as well, right? So we can just implement that quickly. So what we'll just do, let's click on our carousel. Now we need to add more buttons to the last card. So we just have a go back button, and then the actions will tell it to set the current highest and current lowest variables, and that will just basically resolve that. So we just come here and say set variables. The variable we want current lowest, and then set it to an expression. So what expression is a bit of JavaScript, so we just say if number then current lowest. So basically what this number does is that it parses, it basically converts the current lowest from a string to an actual integer, right? So say if this number is not equal to 0, right? If it is not equal to 0, then oh sorry, this is an error. If this is not equal to 0, then what you want is you want your current lowest to be equal to the current lowest, right? So basically current lowest, sorry, minus 10, right? So basically what is happening here is that you're comparing, so you're checking if the current lowest value, right, is not 0, right? If it is not 0, then that means you can go back, but if it is 0, you know you cannot go back, right? So that's basically the reason why we have this check here, right? This should be minus 5 actually. So the reason why you keep seeing me do minus 5 is because I already implemented it here. So I used 10 cards, right? So yeah, I think this is pretty good, right? And then we can do the same for the current highest. Control C, just copy that, and then another expression, current highest, use an expression this time. Then we change every occurrence of current lowest, change every expression of current lowest to current highest. Actions, set, hold on, let me just click on this. Yep, here it is. So it should just be set of current lowest, we have current highest, right? And then current highest, then current highest. So again, what this is just simply doing is that it is checking if the current highest value is not if it is not, oh yeah, we should say if this is not 5, right? So if the current is not 5, current highest is not 5, that is if it is higher, right? You could also use greater than or equal to 5 if you want, right? Then we can then say, okay, reduce that current highest value, right? So we reduce it by 5, right? So the new current highest will be equal to the current highest minus 5. So that's basically how that works, and then the same logic, you know, goes for the current lowest. Okay, good. So now that we're done with that, I believe we are good and we can test the flow, right? So oh yeah, but before we proceed to run the flow, let's set this go back button, right? So once you've set the current lowest and current highest, you need to go back to the get block, right, so that it can reload new information from the database. So we need to add another action here, and then just hit go to, and then start workflow, and then go to new block 1. And yeah, so now we're good. Now we are good. So now we can just run this. Run. Okay, so it works normally. So now you can just have get more, right? So the get more still works. And we can go back. Now we're back to the original images, right? And if we hit go back again, it's just going to redirect you back to the same set of images, right? So that's how you implement a simple go back button, right? Yeah, so that's it. I'll see you in the next video.